Let's look at how you can update the status of your blog posts for sharing with team members and how you can customize the status of your blog posts. So this is really useful if you're working in a team and you need to update each post to let other team members know whether it's in review or it's completed or ready to publish and so on. Let's start first with how to update the status of your blog post. You're going to start by selecting the project that the blog post is under. So we're going to go under here, select the project, and then here we can view a list of the blog posts, and we're going to click the three little pluses here and then click status, and then here we can select the status that we want to update it to. So let's say, for example, this one is in review. I want to update it there. Another way you can update the status is from within the blog post. So let's say I'm working on this post and I'm ready to hand it off to my editor for review. I'm going to click save, and then here I can update the status for either in review, mark it as complete, published, and so on. But what if these statuses are not all the ones you need? Let's look at how you can customize the statuses that you want to use that work for your team. So we're going to head back to the dashboard. We're going to go under projects, select manage projects, and here's all the different projects we have. So let's say I want to update the status options for my blog posts all within this marketing project. I'm going to click the little three here, select edit, and here's where I can update the status. So here you can see I added in review. Let's say for my workflow, I want to have a status as waiting on artwork. Waiting on artwork. Oops. So I'm going to add this status here, and what I can do here is I can drag and drop to move these. So it would go from draft to in review, waiting on artwork, complete, and then published. And I can add more here. So this is where you edit them. So now I'm going to hit save. So those statuses only apply to blog posts within this project. If I want to have all of those statuses apply to all the different projects, you're going to want to update it for each project in here. And keep in mind, this only works for a project. So if all of your blog posts are under uncategorized, you're going to need to create a new project and then move them under there. So let's say I don't have any other projects. I'm going to create a new project. I'm just going to call this test for this example. And then what you would see if you don't have any other projects, or you would only see your blog posts under here, and then you would want to go through here, select it, move, and then move it to another project so you can update the status. And if you want to view the status of all your blog posts, again, this only works if it's a project that isn't uncategorized. So I would select the project, I can select view all, change this to a list, and here I can see the status of each blog post, and then here I can quickly move to update the status and move it along. And there you go. That's how you update and customize your statuses. And keep in mind, customizing your post statuses is a feature on select plans, so make sure you have the proper plan that has this feature, or you can reach out to our support if you need help.